Ćao, dobrodošli nazad, welcome back. In today's video I will explain differences between pomoć and upomoć, jutro, ujutru, and other confusing words in Serbian for foreign speakers. So the first one will be difference between jutro and ujutru. Jutro means morning. Ujutru means in the morning. Like ujutru idem u šetnju. I go to walk. I go on a walk in the morning. Or is it in the morning? Jutro and ujutru. Jutro means morning. Ujutru means in the morning. So ujutru idem u šetnju. I go for a walk in the morning. Okay, so the next one, veče and uveče. It goes same as with jutro and ujutru. Veče is evening. Uveče is in the evening. So uveče jedemo večeru. We eat supper in the evening. Then we have pomoć and upomoć. Pomoć is like, pomoć is noun, help, meaning help. Upomoć, this one down here, is the one you shout when someone attacks you or when you're hurt and you need help. Upomoć, pomozite mi, help me. So this is the difference. Then there are some other that are maybe less used, but it's important to know them too. It's jutro and jutros. Jutro is any morning. Any morning in jutro, morning in 1995, morning 2 days ago, any morning. And jutros is exactly this morning. Jutros sam ga videla. I saw him this morning. So, and then there is noć and noćas. Noć, night, any night. Noćas, this night. Noćas pevamo. This night we are singing. We are singing this night. Then we have juče, jučeras. Juče, well, jučeras is not very used because juče is yesterday and jučeras is this yesterday. I mean, there's no difference in this one, but there exist both words, so just so you know that they are the same thing. Then there is veče and večeras. Veče, evening, any evening. Večeras, this evening. Večeras izlazimo. We are going out this evening. And the most important, which I believe you didn't see any connection about these words, but they are very connected with these veče, večeras and all, is dan and danas. dan, day. Danas, this day, today. Like, danas govorimo o nečemu. We are talking about something today. Yes? So, I believe that even native speakers didn't see the connection with these words, with these forms of words. Like, I didn't notice it until I was preparing to do this. So that would be all for today, and I hope you have cleared that I helped you to clear up that confusion about these words, especially pomoć and upomoć, because I've seen a lot of foreigners mix up these words, because in English the translation is the same, help and help. Serbian is a lot more complex than English is, because, well, we have more words, let's say it like that. So, see you later, vidimo se kasnije in the next video, u sljedećem videu. Ćao!